Hey everyone, welcome back. This is TJ, and this is the first devlog of 2023. This should be Subby Dev Log number 6. I've got some really cool stuff to cover in this video. I've been working on things kind of behind the scenes and just want to give a quick update. I know it's been a little bit. I am still working on this project. It's just things have been a little crazy on my end, and I wanted to make sure I get a video out just to kind of show you what's been going on. So let's jump into it. Alrighty, so as you can see, Subby is looking very different. Where to start? So I guess first thing to look at, we have a little submarine. It's nothing fancy. This is all going to be programmer art. I am by no means an artist. I just kind of threw stuff together to make the game look better. So let's jump into this. So first, you can see right here we've got the life exchange. That's changed a little bit. It's a nice little building with some snow on it, giant tank. You can see this top bar showing depth now. We didn't have that before. Then over here we have our upgrade shop. This isn't fully feature complete, but we can kind of hit the little area down below it. Right now, there's different menu options that you can go buy different hulls, cargo bays, fuel tanks, engine shields. There's going to be multiple different upgrades here for the submarine. I'm still working on how I want to do all that and just make the game worth playing and have lots of upgrades. And so that's kind of that. This is still kind of being fleshed out. The next cool thing, and this is something I'm really excited to show, we have different life down below. So as you can see, we've got these orange guys right here. These are actually the tiger bloats. This little white one right here is a cloudfish. The one that looks like a little spider here is a web slinger. Then we've got the swordfish. Let's see what else we got. We've got the jelly. I've kind of went through and made these all about the same size sprite wise, so a little bit easier to work with. Let's see what else we can find. This one right here down below with the little red eye is a chomper. It's going to eventually chase the submarine around and try and attack you. So if you get too close, it'll start chasing you. This little purple one is a gas fish. So I think there's one more we need to find. Let's do some exploring here. Lots of different stuff. We can actually collect some of these as we're moving around. Get the cloudfish. Missing these guys. Here it is. So this one right here is the light fish. So it's a little light bulb. This one's going to be cool because when I can actually bring them up in this view. So the light fish is going to be cool because there should be a overlay over the screen that when the submarine has its lights on, it'll let you see where the light's illuminating. And the light fish is going to be a bioluminescent fish and will light up the little area around it. So if there's a cluster of them, you can actually see them all kind of pulsating with light. Be really cool. But this is the current cargo bay screen. So we can see if we've got cloudfish, I can drop one or drop two of them and it empties it from the cargo. Another cool thing we can do is if we look at the info panel, we can see we currently don't have any money, but our max depth is kept track of. I'm going to change how this is calculated, but right now it's just the Y value for the position of the submarine in Unity. But let's collect a few of these, and there's the swordfish. Did I collect the swordfish? I did. Alright, so let's go back up to the top and actually exchange some life. Let's see. There it is. Alright, so now it's weird the cloudfish is showing. Now we can just sell everything and leave there. If we had info, shows us how much money we've made. So this is what Subby is. It's looking a lot better. The actual concept is coming together a lot better now, and it's playable, which is really cool. And once the cargo bay is full, I'm going to have some text pop up. Cargo's full. But we can go back up here, sell all of these, go back down, collect more, and just keep going. So that's going to be the main loop of the game. And just keep doing that. Right now I've got the sub speed set fast for development purposes, just to test it, play around with it, make sure things are working. What's going to happen when the game is actually released is the cargo is going to affect your speed. So the heavier you are, you're going to need a better engine to move around and whatnot. And then fish can attack you. There's going to be a weapon shop and a place to refuel. But yeah, that's kind of the future. I'm currently working on getting some of the art done for the shop. It's not going to be pretty, but it's going to be something rather than just squares. So yeah, that's kind of the update right now, and I hope you're looking forward to this as much as I am. So I think that wraps it up. Like I said, it's been a lot of fun working on this and just kind of working without having to worry about making a video. I'm trying to make sure I get these out and get some updates out to the community who's wanting to play this game. I'm really looking forward to getting this thing done, and right now it looks like we're making good progress. If you have any ideas for say life or mechanics that should be in the game, whatever, drop them down in the comments below. And if you're wanting to keep following development on this, feel free to subscribe and hit that little notification bell and get the notifications whenever these videos come out. And I look forward to catching you in the next one. And until then, TJ out.